Did you want me to do it? Is that what it was? Hmm? Hmm? Where is it? There it is. Does that feel good? Hmm? Can we do the other foot? Hmm?
No.
How's that feel? Huh? Do this one?
He's got his eyes closed.
Does that feel good? Oh, that feels so good. You're doing a good job, Ollie. Let's do this one some more. That one's a little harder to do. Yeah. Not doing a very good job as this one.
Yeah.
What do you think? Can we do the other foot? Hmm? Oh, you like that one down? How about this one? It's gonna be. Don't want to hurt your little foot. Okay, now can we do the other foot? Hmm? Other foot? This one? Yeah, this one? I want this foot. Good boy.
Oh.
Good boy. It's like turning it. And that, yeah. Good boy. Has he ever had this done before?
Yeah, I do it to him.
Did the people before do it?
I don't know. I just did it to him because he was leaving scratches on my arm. I thought it might be easier to get that than
One more.
trimming his nails.
One more. There you go. Good boy. All right. Pretty bird. Those are pretty feet now, aren't they? Mm-hmm. You want to play with that? Hmm? That was a good boy. Yeah. Oh, more? You want more done? It's okay. Yeah? We all done? Hmm? What? Did that hurt? Hmm?
It must be like horses. It must, obviously, it feels good.
Just getting past the... Okay, you're not sharp anymore. Yep. You've been done. That one's already been done. Hmm?